Welcome to all. So we will learn about a print function here. So print function to print a variable. So earlier we have used like a, for example, I have a make a message, and here I have mentioned here, welcome to all. This time I'm using a double quote here, and we had used a print as G here. For example, I declared, and after that I got it. So now we'll learn print function different methods. Okay, so let's learn about a, here I'm using a name is equal to, so I am here giving a any name here. Let's take a Daljit, and name underscore first. Okay, first name I can mention here F, and uh, or either let me use a first instead of a here directly first. I think that would be the better, and last is equal to, I can mention here Thakur. Okay, and for example I can mention here location is equal to, let me put a location here Delhi. Okay, and okay, so okay, so I have used these three variables. I declared it, and let's learn with a three here. So how I can print if I want to print all the variables. So we have a different methods. Okay, so let's learn the first methods. Okay, so I can mention here my name is. Okay, so if I want to print here variable, I need to use a single quote and variable name. So what I want to print here, I want to print it first, and after that I need to separate it by a single here comma, and I can use a slash n. Slash n is using for a new line. Okay, new line, and I will make it a, I will make it a here last name is underscore last. Sorry, last name is last. So I'm okay. So here, so my first name is first here. I'm calling this variable here, and last name is last. Okay, and here let me give it a space, so it will give a comes with a space here. Okay, and location is slash n. Location is, so location is, for example, I can put here, let me close a here and here, and let me use a comma, and I need to use a location. Okay, so okay, so now unexpected character here, I used here location, and my name is first, and let me take inside here new line. Okay, so here, and I will take this between slash and new line is here, and location. So ended we're here. Okay, so let me execute again the code. Now you can see here. So here, this is the first way here. High slash n means new line. Okay, so that was the reason here I printed. So now first variable came here, second variable came here, third variable came here. So my name is Daljit, last name is Thakur, location is Delhi. I got it. Okay, so and one more thing, if you think here we are getting extra space here, so I give a extra space here. So let me remove this space here. So I don't need, because it is separated by a comma. So let me make it, let me run it again. I'm doing a control enter. Now you will see perfect here. Okay, so that is the first method. Okay, let's do for a second methods. Okay, there's a first method we have learned here. and let me, so we have a different way. Suppose if I want to go from a Chandigarh to Delhi, either I can use a flight, either I can use a train, either I can use a bus. So same things, we have a different ways to do a one operation. Okay, so and output meanwhile is same. Okay, so let me use a second methods. Okay, so print, and I'm using a double quote here and F here. This is a part of a syntax here. So same thing I want to write here with a my name is. So here I will use a curly braces and I will put a value here first here. Okay, and first here, and I would like to take same value here, same value here, same I will type here, and last name is, so I will use a curly braces here. I will enter the value of last, and after that here I'm not using any comma here, so that is the part of a syntax. And here slash n means new line, that was the reason I'm using here, and I'm using here location. Okay, so here I have declared f inside. This is a function. How the syntax was here, syntax is a print and double quote. Either it's up to you, either you can use a double quote or single quote and any value. So here what you want to print. Okay, so that is a part of a syntax here. So syntax. Okay, that's a part of syntax, and if you want to declare a variable, you need to use a curly braces, and let me execute it here. So I will get a end of while here where I get a error here. So here, if I started with a single quote, I should have to end with the double quote here. So double quote is missing. That was the reason it's give us an error here. So start with a single quote and end with here. So and while scanning string literal, so it is giving us an error. So let me do a here. Now same things we have achieved achieved same things but different way. So there's a second method. So we learned here second method. So it's up to, it's a personal choice here. We learned here first method, print first method, and second method. So here we have learned three methods here. First method we learned here. If it is a normal method, this is a normal method we learned here to print a function. I can mention here a normal method to print a variable we have learned here, and after that we learned a normal method. This is the first method you can say, or second method I can give a name. Here let me give a second method name. So second method we learned here, and here we have learned a third method. So okay, it's your personal choice. Let's learn about a fourth method. Fourth method. So in fourth method, so now I will use a print, and here let me use a print, and I would like to use the same things here but with a some changing. So here now I'm not using a f, and here I'm not using any variables here. Here so I will not put any variables, and location here. So here so I did here, I need to use a dot format, and I need to put a value here like first, last, and location. Okay, so now, so this is a method, so you need to use it syntax. What is the syntax here? So syntax is like here print, and you can put a value, and the variable you can make a empty. Now here it should be empty with a some I can mention here your comment or statement or anything. I can make it a statement here, and after that you made it a dot format and you put a variable here where, for example, so this is a part of syntax. Okay, so let me run it now. Okay, so same things you can achieve with a fourth method. So here I'm using a dot format, and here one more interesting things is here. So suppose you need to make sure if you by mistakenly, I'm not using these methods here, personal choice, I made it by mistakenly last first, and I forget and I made it a first here. So what happened? So you will get the result like that. My name is Thakur, last name is Daljit, and location is Delhi. So this chances is more here. Okay, but here you already defined, you know why you are writing here. So here the chances, but it's your personal choice. Either you can choose a fourth method also. And let us discuss is a fifth method also. Okay. Okay, so fifth method, we learn about a fifth method. So let me use a print here and double quote. And now what I will do, I will use a same things. Now what interesting is that now I will use a percentage s for string value. Here the variable is a percentage s in percentage s here. Okay, and I need to make a okay percentage as here. Okay, so now I need to make a percent variable. So I need to declare a variable here as like here first last location. This is the fifth here. So my name is percentage a, last name is percentage, location is percentage, and it is ended with here double quote here up to and percent first last and location. Okay, so let me, so you will get the same result, but interesting thing is in this here. So let us suppose I'm using here year is equal to 2021. Okay, so I'm adding a here. So now suppose and since and I want to print here. Now if I use the percentage s, so it will throw error here. Okay, so here, so s means string value here. So here we learned about a percentage s is equal to string value, percentage d is using for a digit. So it means I need to use a digit here. So let me came as a correction here first here, later I will use it. Okay, so I need to use a here. Okay, so now let me run it here again, and I will since, so let me run it again. Okay, so I have enabled this one. I need to make a disable comment here because I'm explaining here. That was the reason it's giving me a error here. So let me run it again. Okay, so now you can see 2021.